main saturation of oxygen level. Okay. So first is introduction. Vital signs are the basic indicators of a person's physiological status. Okay. Accurate assessment is required to detect the early changes in the patient's conditions. Okay. Definition. Vital signs are the measurable indicators of essential body functions that reflect the body physiological status. Okay. So definition is vital signs are the measurable indicators of essential body functions that reflect the body physiological status. So first, which are the components? First is temperature. So temperature. In temperature, first is definition. It is the degree of heat maintained by the body. So we can measure the temperature by the three sources, four types. That is the tympanic, oral, axillary, and rectal. So in tympanic, it's like this thermometer. Rectal, it's round shape, and for oral, it's this type. Okay. So the normal temperature of the body is 36.5 degrees Celsius to 37.5 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, it is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And second one is pulse. Pulse is what? The force, it is the arterial expansion of the arteries due to the heartbeats. So pulse is measured from there are the common sides of the pulse, that is the popliteal, femoral, radial, apical, carotid, brachial, posterior tibial. So there are 9 sides from which we can measure the pulse. Okay. So normal pulse is 60 to 100 beats per minute. And after that, respiration. Respiration is what? Respiration is the process of inhalation and exhalation. So respiration, normal range of respiration is 12 to 20 beats per minute. And after that, blood pressure. Blood pressure is measured by the sphygmomanometer. Normal blood pressure is 180 to 80 mm of Hg. So there are types of blood pressure, that is systolic and diastolic. Blood pressure is why we are measuring the blood pressure? To know the hypotension or hypertension of the patient, and is also assess the cardiovascular status of the patient. And the last one is oxygen saturation. Oxygen saturation, it is measured through the pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter. Okay. Normal oxygen saturation level is 95 to 100%. Okay. And the last one is the pain. Pain is unpleasant sensory and emotional expression that is measured by the numerical pain scale level, that is 0 to 10. Okay. Now the nursing responsibilities, we have to assess the vital signs by accurate techniques, using of accurate techniques, and also report, and if any abnormality